What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting off the video a little bit late. We pretty much got all the control arms that we were missing, which are these right here that we're putting back together. We got to put the bushings on it and the ball joints, and then we should pretty much have that ready so that we can install them on the truck. So once we do that, it'll pretty much be ready for us to put the bed on and take it outside and take it for a spin. But damn, it looks, got some pretty good progress on the actual truck. It looks really nice. I like the way it looks on the lift right now. That looks real beefy. We pretty much got the last pieces to the puzzle already, which were the last pieces that we were missing on the front of the truck. We also did end up finally coating the whole front suspension. Yes, we did end up painting the whole frame in satin black. Just got some of the good areas that were fucked up, and now it looks real good. The control arm is also satin black, but it's just painted over. Really not too much of a big deal. This part is not going to be visible. But we also do have to get a new boot for the tie rod, so that's pretty much the last part that we have to do on this side. On the other side is pretty much ready just to assemble, and we're going to do that right now and just get it out of the way.
Man, I'm so ready to drive my dunk. What's going on, big bro?
What up?
Damn, man, this shit don't make no fucking sense, bro.
Look at my, like, all my shit's all painted. Look.
Oh, shit. Boy, that shit powder coated. Who you think you is, bro?
Y'all fire.
If I, you can get my shit done, right?
Alright, guys, we're pretty much at the final completion stage of the truck itself. We got everything pretty much on there, and we're about to lower it down onto the ground. We finally got the front suspension set up, and we got the wheels on there. So it looks pretty good. Final result was really nice. I actually uploaded a picture of the front suspension on my Instagram. I forgot to get some video out of it, but it looks really good. So make sure you guys go and check that out. This tire is really wide. This is pretty much the length of my arm, just to kind of give you guys some reference on how wide it actually is. So looks really good. Starting to look like a truck again. It is currently Wednesday. It is pretty late right now. We're staying up late working on Corey's car, but it looks pretty good now. Last thing we're gonna do is slap the bed on, put the fuel cell, mount it back up, and then polish the wheels, get it washed up, and have it ready for the show on Friday night, and then Saturday morning pick it up and take it to the show. So looking like a good turnout. Stay tuned, we're gonna slap the bed on. Alright guys, we got the truck to settle down. That spring was stuck on the control arm sitting on it. Now that we got a little bit of pressure in there, started jumping up and down on the front end, it settled down correctly. Back is looking real nice. We got the hoses and all that stuff. That's gonna go to the top of the bed in the middle right now, so that when we slide the bed on top of it, it's not in the way or it doesn't get pinched underneath the bed. But so far everything is looking pretty good. Yeah, everything's pretty much turning out how we like it, how we wanted it. Now we gotta wait and get some more people to come help us slap on the bed, and we should be good to go. We still have to connect the battery, so we're gonna connect the grounds right now. Let's see. Ooh, after that, let me go get my alarm. All right, we got the alarm to turn off. Now we can slide this on here, right here. It's a good thing I actually disconnected this, because then I would have been struggling with the charger and all that stuff, bringing that here. I like having these butterfly pins because it makes it easier for me to pull them off, pull them on. Don't have to really use a socket, just kind of tighten them up that way. So that's pretty good. Let me turn it on real quick. Alright guys, that was a dumb mistake on my part. Try to turn it on and I forgot that the damn gas tank's not on there. So we're gonna wait till the fucking bed's back on, and then we can turn it on so you guys can hear it. Alright guys, so check this out. We got the bed on that hole. Looking good. I just strapped up the gas tank. I'm gonna turn this bitch on. Alright guys, we're gonna go get some gas because the truck does not have no gas at all, and then we'll be back and see if we can turn it back on.
¿Está muerta?
Aquí se ganchó la perra. Mire. Well guys, there you have it. The truck is done. It looks real good. It handles really nice. The bed was off and it's still unbolted, but we were just like, fuck it, let me just try it, just make sure everything's good. And so far it looks good, feels good, and can't wait to see it at the show and have it all painted up and, well, have it all washed up and everything, making sure it looks good. Now we just got to make sure we bolt up the bed and pretty much go out for a test drive, make sure everything's good. And once we are sure of that, then we'll be able to make sure that we can drive it all the way over there without a problem. But everything seems good for now. Let's knock the rest of that out. Little hocico baboso. So it's already pretty late. The truck is semi done. We still got a bunch of stuff that we got to do to it, but it looks damn good already as it is now. So we're gonna come back tomorrow, put all the bolts, put the bumper, put the tailgate, and just finish strapping up the tank and all that stuff, do all the little small details here and there, and then we're pretty much gonna get it ready to go take it to the muffler shop so we can weld the muffler back on there, because right now we don't have a muffler. And then after that, wash her up and pretty much just get the paint ready for the show. And then once we're done with that, then it should hit already Friday. We're gonna go set up at the show, and once we go set up, it'll pretty much be a done deal. It looks so damn good now. I like it a lot. It looks really good. So there's a lot of things that, you know, you're really not gonna see, but for my satisfaction, it looks so good. Later on, we'll install some lights underneath on the suspension so that when it's nighttime, it'll pop. So that'll definitely bring out the suspension a lot, make it look like a real nice shine. So that's pretty much the last part that we're gonna do. This is it for this video. This is pretty much the last review video that we did. We still got more coming though, not to worry. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss the next video, which is gonna be the muffler, and then doing the paint and the washing and all that stuff. So make sure you guys don't miss that. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to cop the merch. The link is in the description, or tumbado.net. Like the video, drop down a comment if you guys like the way it came out. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. My name's Jose, and I'm checking out. See ya.